Ecolution Evolved Non-Stick Fry Pan with a soft silicone handle. This cheap product comes at a high quality and lets you cook over easy eggs that you're going to be proud of. The griddle has 11 inches of size and it's excellent for daily use. Also, the dishwasher-safe surface makes the cleanup effortless and it's easy to store it as well. The pan is designed from heavy gauge aluminum and it has a beautiful red color, making it even more pleasant to use. It comes with textured heat bands on the bottom, effectively conducting heat and making the cooking successful. What's more amazing is the fact that it makes the food easy to slide as it does not stick. The Ecolution Evolved Non-Stick Fry Pan with a soft silicone handle cooks very well and allows you to use butter or oil without problems. The handle is made of silicone, so it's very safe to use and offers a comfortable grip. The product is also a great choice for well-cooked eggs.